Hello dear programmers and coders. Today we will solve another problem. It's of easy level and it's problem number 26. Remove duplicates from sorted array. So what we are given a sorted array. Let me type one sorted array here like this one. And okay, so we have like one, let's say 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is our array. Okay, it's array of integer numbers and it's not in decreasing order. Okay, so it means it's either increasing or the same number. So there's possibility it have duplicates. Okay, so what's required from us is to remove duplicates, like remove this one and remove these two, but in the place. Okay, and retain like a k. What's k? K should be number of unique elements here, like we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. This should be 2 anyway, but retain k. So these 4 numbers, so we retain k as 4, not like this. And also we should solve the list, rearrange it to be in place, rearrange like this. Okay, and then 4, and then we have a number here, a number here, and a number here, and that's it. We have 3 numbers here. Okay, and these numbers here doesn't matter what they are, they don't care, they only care about the first k numbers should be in increasing order, should be unique, should be not duplicate, but what's the rest here, they don't care about it. So we need to retain the value of k, is which is the how many unique numbers, and we need to update the array or the list in the place to have the unique number at the beginning of the list. Okay, so how we can approach this problem and how we can solve it? I'm gonna use 2 indexes, current, and I will let it to be 1, and I will use index which is I, which is also will be 1. Okay, I will refer to current as C. For me to type it C is more easy to put it here. Okay, so we have current and we have index. Index, I'm going to use index to iterate through each number in this list. So my condition will be while, okay, this should be H, I don't know, while anyway, I is less than length of the nums, the array. Okay, bad typing. Anyway, while I less than the nums, so we increase I by 1, so we can iterate. I will start from 1 and I will tell you why I will start from 1. I'm not gonna start from 0. So I'm gonna start from 1 till the end, and index I represent this index, while C, it will represent another position here, also start from 1 and could go to 2, could go to 3, but not necessary, could go to 4, but not necessary. It will go only to the index, to the place that we can change this value that needs to be changed to remove the duplicate. So okay, so let's start from beginning. Why I did not start from 0 and started from 1? Because this number starting from here, it's a number alone. The number is alone, so it's not a duplicate. There's only one item, so we are 100% sure this number it should be included. Should be included because till now it's only one item and that's it. To have duplicate, we should have either 2 numbers or 3 numbers or like 4 numbers to be duplicate or something like that. So index 0 is already solved, so we will start I to be here and C to be here. And what I'm gonna do, my condition will be, is the nums of index I, is the num of index I bigger than the num of index C minus 1? Is it bigger? So if this is bigger than this, that means this is a new number and we should put it here. We should put it here. But in this example, it's not bigger, they are equal. So if they are equal, I only shift the index I to here and I keep C here. Why? Because they are equal, that means C at this index, at the current index, we need to change this number. It should be changed. Okay, so we come to the next iteration. Is 2 bigger than c minus 1, which is this one? Is 2 bigger than 1? Yeah, it is. So we update this, we make it 2. Let me change color. I make this 2 to become 2. Okay, and we increase the index of c here because we already treated this place. We are not going to update it again. We already updated it. And also increase I by 1. And we say, is the number at index I is bigger than the number at index c minus 1? No, they are not. Both of them are 2, so it's a duplicate. So I don't change the index of c. I only change the index of I, and we try to get another number. And we also try this 2 with this 2. They are equal, so we only increase the I. We keep c in this place till we reach here. 3 is bigger than 2. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna update the number at index current. I make it 3, and I increase the index of current, and I also increase the index of I. And we reach to the last item here, and it's also bigger than 4. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 4 here, and I'm gonna change the index of c here, and the I will come here, which is out of bound, or this condition will become false and the loop will end. And when the loop is ended, if you notice, when it's ended, we have c at this position. Okay, so now this is our solution. This would matter. This number here doesn't matter. If it stays 2, 3, 4, doesn't matter. But here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. What it matters, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. But also we need to retain k, which is how many numbers they are unique. In this example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers. And if you notice, the value of c here is actually 4, because it starts from 0, okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can retain c, and that's all. So let's go to the Jupyter Lab and write our code. So I will start here. I will define current equal I and equal once both of them the value are 1. So while I less than the length of nums, while this is true, if nums of I is bigger than nums of current, okay, we update nums of current, we put the new value that is at index I, and we increase the current index by 1. But if they are not bigger, if they are equal, we only increase the index of I. But the index of I, whether it's bigger or if bigger, I will increase. If this condition did not come true, still I will increase. So at all situation I will increase, but only when the number are not equal, the current will increase. Okay, and we retain current. That's all. Okay, I can test it here. Oh, there's error. List. Okay, this. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's something wrong here. It shouldn't return 7. Okay, what did I do wrong? We should compare it with the current minus 1, with the previous. This is, yeah, that now is correct. So let me take this code and I go to the Leetcode website and test it there. So I pasted the code. Let me submit and see what will happen. And yeah, it's correct. Okay, friends, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video.